Okay, quick update for the project here in beautiful Ponte Vedra Beach. Now what we've done, what we have completed is the sod installation. This project we use the palmetto, which is the shade tolerant variety of St. Augustine. And this also comes from my favorite supplier. And they get all of this beautiful sod from Hastings, Florida, which is in our area. And that is good. We hooked up the landscaping over here. We're going to be doing some few add-ons here. And so when you have property that has a lot of shade, then you want to choose the palmetto shade tolerant variety of St. Augustine sod. This is a very large property, and it's right up next to the wooded area here, so it gets tons of shade. See, it's covered by the house and these trees. It's got this beautiful oak tree up here. And anytime you have a lot of shade, you're gonna need a palmetto shade tolerant. And the best ideal sod is gonna be sod that comes from your area. So we work with a farm that is in our area. So this stuff is native to the area, so it is familiar with our climate and our area's unique needs. 904-321-91814, free quote, FloridaProLawnCare.com.